Hello guys, is just a Bosch Tech Tasmanian Tiger 8 for the hunting approach. I just explained to the necessary disperse. Disperse is very interesting for the scope because the scope is very large and the Porsche don't specify this. Just disperse. Disperse are the first 8 medic. Okay, twist, garrow, and take my scope hunting. She's 27 centimeters. It's very easy. Okay. This. The Porsche. The distance in the Porsche is 27 centimeters. Take the model. It's my hunting bag 18 with Rush tires slim. I just take the bag. Okay. Okay. Now go ready. Go always ready from 5.11. And where my bag? I have my gun, my bag triad, and my scope. For the hunting approach is necessary, and then just I move my hand is very important for the idea. The price is in French to the €20 or $22.